Walk into any pharmacy or scroll online and you'll see hundreds of supplements promising more energy, better digestion, stronger bones, slower aging. But here's the truth. Most people over 40 are spending money on supplements they don't actually need. And even worse, they're missing the few that could genuinely change how they feel every day. So in this video, we're cutting through the noise and breaking down which supplements actually matter after 40, which ones are mostly marketing hype, and how to choose what's right for your body. Before we dive in, hit the like button and subscribe for simple, honest health advice for people over 40. And comment, "No more wasting money," if you're ready to learn the truth. Let's start with something important. Supplements are not magic pills. But after 40, they can become helpful. Why? Because your body changes. As you age, nutrient absorption decreases. Your diet may not be as consistent. Certain vitamins become harder to absorb. Even if you eat relatively healthy, your body may still fall short in key areas. This is why some supplements can support energy levels, bone strength, brain function, and immune health. But the key word here is some. Not all supplements are created equal. Let's talk about one of the most important supplements after 40, vitamin D. Many people are deficient in it, especially as they age. Why does it matter? Vitamin D helps with bone health, immune system support, muscle strength, and mood regulation. And here's the problem. As you get older, your skin becomes less efficient at producing vitamin D from sunlight. Plus, many people don't get enough sun exposure. Low vitamin D levels have been linked to weak bones, fatigue, and increased risk of illness. This is one supplement that's often worth considering, especially if levels are low. Quick question. Do you take vitamin D already? Comment yes or no below. Next up is vitamin B12. This one is crucial, especially for energy and brain function. Vitamin B12 helps your body produce red blood cells, maintain nerve health, and support memory and focus. But here's what many people don't know. After 40, your body absorbs B12 less efficiently. This is largely due to lower stomach acid levels, which are needed to absorb it. Low B12 levels can lead to fatigue, weakness, brain fog, and tingling sensations in hands and feet. And these symptoms are often mistaken as just aging, but sometimes it's simply a deficiency. Now let's talk about something that affects almost everything, your gut health. Probiotics are supplements that contain beneficial bacteria, and after 40, your gut bacteria balance can shift, often in the wrong direction. This can lead to bloating, poor digestion, weak immunity, and irregular bowel movements. Probiotics help restore balance. They support better digestion, stronger immune function, and improved nutrient absorption. But here's the key. Not all probiotics are the same. Some are high quality, others do very little. And in many cases, you can get similar benefits from fermented foods like yogurt, kefir, or sauerkraut. If you're still watching, type "I care about my health" in the comments. I'd love to see you here. Now, let's talk about the part most people ignore, the hype. The supplement industry is full of products that promise instant energy, rapid weight loss, and anti-aging miracles. But many of these are overpriced, poorly researched, or completely unnecessary. Common examples include fat-burning pills, detox supplements, and megadose vitamins without clear need. Here's the truth. If something sounds too good to be true, it usually is. Your body doesn't need dozens of supplements. It needs the right ones in the right amounts.
Now here's a supplement that doesn't get enough attention. Magnesium. And yet, it's involved in over 300 processes in your body. After 40, many people become low in magnesium without even realizing it. Why? Because stress, poor diet, and aging all reduce magnesium levels. Low magnesium can lead to muscle cramps, poor sleep, fatigue, anxiety, constipation. Sound familiar? That's why magnesium can be incredibly helpful for relaxing your muscles, improving sleep quality, supporting digestion, and reducing stress levels. Foods like leafy greens, nuts, and seeds contain magnesium, but many people still don't get enough through diet alone. Quick one. Do you struggle more with sleep or energy? Comment sleep or energy below. Next, let's talk about omega-3 fatty acids. These are essential fats your body needs but cannot produce on its own. Omega-3s are especially important after 40 because they help reduce inflammation, support heart health, improve brain function, and protect joints. As we age, inflammation tends to increase in the body, and that's linked to many common issues like joint pain, fatigue, and chronic conditions. Omega-3s help calm that inflammation naturally. You can get them from fatty fish like salmon and sardines or high-quality fish oil supplements. This is one of those supplements that supports your overall health, not just one specific issue. Now, let's clear up a common misconception. Calcium. Most people think they need more calcium supplements as they age, but here's the truth. Calcium only works properly when it's combined with other nutrients, especially vitamin D and magnesium. Taking calcium alone in high amounts may not give you the benefits you expect. In fact, balance matters more than quantity. For bone health, focus on getting calcium from food when possible, of supporting it with vitamin D, and ensuring proper absorption. Foods like dairy, leafy greens, and almonds are great natural sources. So instead of blindly taking calcium supplements, think about the bigger picture. If this is helping you see supplements differently, hit the like button right now. It helps more people learn the truth. Now, let's talk about something almost everyone has tried at some point: multivitamins. They seem like the perfect solution, right? One pill, everything covered. But here's the reality. Multivitamins can be helpful, but they're not always necessary. And in many cases, the doses are too low to fix real deficiencies or too high in nutrients you don't need. They're best used as a safety net, not a primary solution. If your diet is inconsistent, a multivitamin can help fill small gaps, but it won't replace proper nutrition, healthy eating habits, or targeted supplementation when needed. Finally, let's talk about how to choose wisely, because the biggest mistake people make is buying supplements based on trends. Instead, focus on this. 1. Identify your needs. Are you struggling with energy, struggling with sleep, digestive issues? 2. Keep it simple. You don't need 10 different supplements. Start with 1 to 3 that actually matter. 3. Focus on quality. Not all supplements are created equal. Choose trusted brands with clear ingredients. And 4. Stay consistent. Supplements don't work overnight. Give them time. When you approach supplements this way, you stop wasting money and start seeing real results. So what's the takeaway? After 40, supplements can help, but only if you choose wisely. Focus on what actually matters. Vitamin D for bones and immunity, vitamin B12 for energy and brain health, and probiotics for digestion and gut balance. And always remember, supplements should support your diet, not replace it. Real food, good habits, and consistency will always come first. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more honest health advice, and share this video with someone who's spending too much on supplements. And don't miss the next video where we break down the best daily habits to stay healthy after 40. See you in the next one.